Good morning, children. Today we are going to do chapter 1 literature reader, Monty's birthday adventure. Adventure means something you do that is full of difficulties and danger. Have you ever seen people hosting food shows on TV? Such people cook or review food for a living. They tell facts about the food. Some people you must have seen to show their food shows on TV, and that show they do to earn their living, and they tell the truth about that food. How do you think their interest in food developed? Perhaps like Monty in this story. Now, how their taste developed in food? Maybe it is like Monty's. Read on to find out. Only 2 weeks to go for your 10th birthday, Mother reminded Monty. The mother said only 2 weeks are there for his 10th birthday. Like I need a reminder, Monty laughed. Now Monty said he needs to be reminded about the birthday. He doesn't know about the birthday. Mother said, well, we have decided to let you have one adventure on your birthday. You get to pick it, something safe and healthy. Now mother said, on your birthday, we are allowing you to have any adventure. But that adventure should be safe and healthy. That left Monty speechless with joy and with great excitement. Now Monty was speechless and he was full of excitement. He began to think about the different adventures he could pick from. What adventures he should do that. So he was thinking about that. What could he do that would be adventurous? Now he was thinking what you should do that could be adventurous. Daring. Go to the cinema all by himself with Manto and John. No way. His parents would certainly not allow it. Now he thought of a cinema, but again he thought his parents won't be allowing him to go to cinema alone. The next idea, breathless, a roller coaster ride. Now without taking a breath, he thought of a roller coaster ride. Oh, done. That 2 months ago, Monty thought. Now he thought 2 months ago I have done that. He started looking up ideas on the internet. Now he took the help of internet and fearless, a jungle trek, but they will never allow me to do it, he said to himself. Now he thought of a jungle trek, but he again thought his parents won't be allowing him. Reckless, bungee jumping. Oh no, that is Rena's treat for her 18th birthday, he remembered. Reckless means without any care, carelessly. He thought of a bungee jumping, but he reminded that it was Rena's treat for her 18th birthday. Monty said thoughtfully, looking like a statue, with his chin in his hands, head bowed. Now his head was down and he was keeping his hands, he was keeping his chin in his 2 hands and looking like a statue. He was thinking. He walked around the house with a wrinkled brow. Wrinkled brow means he was having a different view of his eyebrows and he was looking in walled around the house. What adventure can I undertake? Should an adventure be only outdoors? Unknown and unexplored. Something he had never done before would be an adventure. Now he was thinking about the adventures, what he could do. Yes, Monty jumped up from the chair as the idea occurred to him. Mom, I have decided on my adventure. Now he told his mother he has decided to have an adventure. Oh really? Said mother. What is the adventure? No, Mom. You will know when it is over. I am going to do it all by myself. Why don't you go to the cinema or something for 2 hours? His mother looked puzzled. Okay, I will go and visit Aunt Nilu. Are you two going out on your adventure? Mama said, I am going to Aunt Nilu, and whether he is also going on the adventure. I will have my adventure at home, all by myself. You will see it when you return, said Monty. When his mother was gone, Monty turned and walked into the kitchen. Now he will show what he did. I am all alone in a strange place, doing something I have never done before. Now he was alone at the strange place. Now he wanted to do something that he had never done. Thought Monty, I am venturing into the unknown. Tan tan da. Now he was thinking, venturing means he was taking a job, something he is going to do. And so began his adventure. He had ventured into strange territory, the kitchen, where he had gone to do the adventure in the kitchen. He battled with strange things. Now he battled means he faced difficulties with strange things. Chili paste and turmeric powder. He wrestled with dangerous things. He knew he had to be careful if the adventure were to be a success. Now he knew if the adventure should be a success, he should be very careful. Monty felt brave, reckless and victorious. He had cooked a dish for the family all by himself. That too by looking up the recipe on the internet. He saw the recipe on the internet. And the family polished off the hand vo with enthusiasm. Now the family polished that hand vo. Hand vo means the cake that is made up of fruits in Gujarat. Mother smiled. My goodness, I can't believe you cooked this all by yourself. What an adventure, and what a lovely treat for us. Now I suppose I should get to the kitchen and clean up the mess you have made. Now mother said, you have done that adventure, I am very happy, but now I will go to the kitchen to clean up the mess. Now children, you read this chapter once again, and next class we will be doing the exercise of this chapter. You try the exercises. Thank you all.